Hi Hoopers! In this tutorial, we will learn a combination featuring a pirouette, coin flip toss, and escalator variation. We will break everything down into baby bite-sized steps. First, hold the outside of your hoop with flat palms level to your chest on the left. Rotate to the right and swoop the hoop down and overhead. Land in your starting position. Now, ditch your hoop. While you turn, your left leg will lift and you'll connect your ankle to your inner knee. This is known as a passe. You will be rotating to the right on your right leg. When you start to turn, your right foot will turn out and you'll soften your knees. As your hoop swings overhead, you'll straighten your right leg, squeeze your core, and hit your passe position as you turn. You'll land with your left foot in front of your right and your knees will be soft. Let's see that again from the back. Your left leg is lifting. When you're in your passe position, you want to imagine you're squeezing a piece of paper between your foot and knee. You can let your arms swing up to the sky when you practice. This will help give you some momentum and feel similar to when you do this with your hoop. Always shift your eyes to your landing spot as quickly as possible. Now for the toss. Hold the top and bottom of your hoop with flat palms, right hand below, left hand above. You will push your right hand up as you pull your left hand down. When you do the toss, bend your knees and then extend your legs on the toss. This extra bounce helps you to make the coin toss high enough to catch it properly. Now add them together. Turn as you sweep your hoop overhead. When you land with soft knees, that is your prep for the coin flip toss. Now for the catch. Hold your hoop parallel to the floor, scoop your right hand underneath the hoop, turn your thumb down, and grab the inside of the hoop. Let the opposite side of the hoop fall, and then swing your right arm to the right at a 45-degree angle. You are in the beginning of a reverse escalator. Your catch stops the hoop's coin flip vertical rotation, and then allows you to change the hoop's planes and sweep the hoop horizontally to the right. Now try it with the coin flip. When you see the opening inside your hoop and the hoop is parallel to the floor, scoop your arm underneath the hoop and immediately move your arm to the right. Your arm will carry your hoop into your reverse escalator. When you first practice this, don't worry about getting it smooth right away. Practice just nailing the catch and watching how this movement naturally brings the hoop into your next position. As you get more comfortable, you can have a much lighter grip or forego using your grip entirely. As you can see here, when I practice, I'm just focusing on catching the hoop and letting it fall. I then carry it slowly to the right so I can feel how I change the direction of the hoop using the movement of my arm. Your final move is an anti-spin during your reverse escalator. As you lift your left leg, you will turn 180 degrees to the left while rotating on the ball of your right foot. You will end facing the opposite direction. You still catch the hoop with your right hand, and all of your weight lands on your left leg. Now watch it in slow-mo front and back so you can visually see all the nuances. Remember that anything you learn takes time while your body develops muscle memory. The important thing is to have fun. Happy hooping!